Cash App on your phone? Been there. Done that. But can you use Cash App online? Ever split a dinner bill with friends and realize none of you have cash? Or maybe you need to send a quick birthday gift to a loved one across the country, but a traditional money transfer seems slow and outdated. That's where Cash App comes in. It's a mobile payment service that lets you send and receive money instantly, all from the convenience of your phone. But what if your phone's battery dies, or you simply prefer doing things on a larger screen? Can you use Cash App online? The short answer is no. Cash App doesn't currently offer a web-based platform. It's designed primarily for mobile use. However, that doesn't mean you're completely out of luck. In this video, we'll explore some clever workarounds and alternative solutions that'll get you using Cash App functionalities even without the app itself. So, ditch the disappointment and grab your laptop, because we're about to unlock the hidden potential of Cash App, online style. Workaround number 1, utilize the cash tag feature for online transactions. One of Cash App's coolest features is the $cash tag. It's basically a unique username assigned to your account that allows others to send you money directly. Here's how to leverage this for online transactions. Find your cash tag, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Your cash tag will be displayed prominently on your profile screen. Get creative with online platforms. Now, the key is to find online platforms that accept usernames or custom links for payments. This could include online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or certain peer-to-peer service websites. Include your cash tag in listings or descriptions. When you advertise an item online, creatively incorporate your cash tag in the listing description. Mention something like, for quick and easy payment, send me directly to $your cash tag through Cash App. Important note, while cash tag transactions are generally instant, be mindful of the platform you're using. Always ensure it's a reputable service before sharing your cash tag. Workaround number 2, partner up with a Cash App user for online shopping. Maybe you stumbled upon an amazing online deal, but the website doesn't accept Cash App directly. Here's where a trusted friend or family member with a Cash App account comes in. Explain the situation. Briefly explain the situation to your Cash App wielding friend. Let them know you found a great deal online, but the checkout process doesn't accept Cash App. Offer reimbursement. Assure them you'll immediately reimburse them the full amount, plus a little extra for their trouble, through Cash App the moment they complete the purchase. Coordinate payment details. Discuss the exact amount and any additional fees associated with the purchase beforehand. Make sure everything is crystal clear to avoid any confusion later. Workaround number 3, utilize Cash App's investment feature through the mobile app. While Cash App itself doesn't have a dedicated web platform, don't forget about its investment functionalities. If you're interested in managing your investments online, here's what you can do. Explore investment options. Cash App allows you to invest in a variety of stocks and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, directly through the mobile app. Manage your portfolio online. Once you've made some investments through the Cash App mobile app, you can access your portfolio and monitor its performance using any web browser. Simply navigate to https://cash.app/help/5000-investing and log in with your Cash App credentials. Remember, trading stocks and ETFs involves inherent risks. Always do your own research and understand the market conditions before making any investment decisions. While Cash App doesn't have a dedicated web platform at this time, these workarounds offer creative solutions to utilize its functionalities online. Whether you're receiving payments through your cash tag, partnering with a friend for an online purchase, or managing your investments through the mobile app and a web browser, Cash App can still be a valuable tool in your online financial arsenal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.